Welcome to Driven Daily, your go-to channel for in-depth vehicle reviews and insights. Today we bring you a detailed look at the 2025 Mahindra 475Di, a powerful and reliable tractor designed to meet the needs of modern farmers and agricultural professionals. This model continues Mahindra's legacy of producing efficient and durable tractors that provide excellent performance in various farming conditions. The Mahindra 475Di is powered by a 42-horsepower four-cylinder diesel engine that ensures strong power output while maintaining fuel efficiency. With a displacement of 2,730 cc, the engine delivers consistent performance for long working hours, making it a preferred choice for farmers who require a balance of power and economy. The tractor is equipped with a water-cooled system preventing overheating even during extended operations. The dry-type air filter ensures clean air intake, improving engine longevity and performance. One of the key highlights of the Mahindra 475Di is its transmission system, which features an 8-forward and 2-reverse gear configuration. This setup allows smooth shifting and provides the operator with a variety of speed options suitable for different tasks. Whether it is plowing, tilling, or hauling, the gear system ensures optimal power delivery for each application. The clutch is a single or optional dual type, which enhances efficiency by providing better control over the power transmission system. The tractor's hydraulic system is designed to handle heavy-duty applications with ease. It has a lifting capacity of around 1,500 kilograms, making it suitable for carrying large loads and operating various farming implements such as plows, harrows, and trillers. The advanced hydraulic system ensures smooth lifting and lowering of equipment, improving work efficiency on the field. The position and draft control functions add to the tractor's versatility, allowing precise adjustments based on soil conditions and task requirements. Comfort and convenience are essential for long working hours, and Mahindra has ensured that the 475Di provides a comfortable operating experience. The tractor features an ergonomically designed seat that reduces fatigue and improves posture during extended use. The steering system is available in both mechanical and power steering variants, allowing users to choose based on their preference and workload. The power steering option significantly reduces steering effort, making maneuverability easier even in rough terrains. The braking system of the Mahindra 475Di consists of dry disc brakes or optional immersed brakes. The oil-immersed brakes provide better heat dissipation and enhanced braking performance, ensuring safety during operations. The tractor's large rear tires provide excellent traction and stability in various farming conditions, reducing slippage and improving efficiency in wet or uneven terrains. Fuel efficiency is another important aspect where the Mahindra 475Di excels. With the fuel tank capacity of approximately 48 liters, this tractor can work for long hours without frequent refueling. The efficient engine design ensures optimal fuel consumption, making it a cost-effective choice for farmers looking to maximize productivity while keeping operational costs low. Maintenance and serviceability are crucial for the longevity of any tractor, and Mahindra has designed the 475Di with easy maintenance in mind. The tractor features a user-friendly design that allows quick access to essential components such as the engine air filter and battery. Regular servicing ensures that the tractor remains in peak condition, minimizing downtime and repair costs. Mahindra's extensive service network ensures that spare parts and technical support are readily available whenever needed. The Mahindra 475Di is suitable for a wide range of applications, from general farming activities to specialized tasks like land preparation, irrigation, and transportation. It is compatible with various agricultural implements, making it a versatile addition to any farm. Whether you are a small-scale farmer or a commercial agricultural professional, this tractor provides the right balance of performance, durability, and affordability. In terms of pricing, the Mahindra 475Di offers great value for money considering its features and capabilities. The exact price may vary based on location and optional features, but it remains a competitive option in the 42 horsepower tractor segment. Financing options and government subsidies in some regions make it even more accessible to farmers looking to upgrade their equipment. Overall, the 2025 Mahindra 475Di stands out as a reliable and efficient tractor designed to handle the demanding needs of modern agriculture. Its powerful engine, smooth transmission, advanced hydraulics, and user-friendly design make it the top choice for farmers seeking performance and durability. With Mahindra's reputation for quality and reliability, this tractor ensures excellent productivity for years to come. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and share it with others who might be interested in this tractor. For more detailed reviews and comparisons on tractors and other vehicles, subscribe to Driven Daily and stay updated with the latest insights.